It's a very good morning from Ramna Park. This is Abdul Hamid, and here is my.
This is Hamid.
We are really excited because today we get up early in the morning. After getting up from the bed, we reach at Ramna Park. Already, we have done our morning exercise. So it is really great work for us. We know that a proverb goes that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and perfect. Do you agree on this statement,
Yes,
Hassan?
I strongly agree with this statement because of here a lot of reason that is when we woke up from the bed at early morning. We are fresh minded and feel refreshing and praying salat for the prayer, and we have a clearful mind and refreshment also.
Okay, I also agree on your statement. At present time, we are staying at the Ramna Park, and I want to say this is really incredible scenario. If you don't come in the Ramna Park, you can't believe. If you want to see the wonderful scenario of Ramna Park, you have to come in the morning. Otherwise, it can't possible to see the morning scenario, because morning is the best creation of Allah, and we can start our morning various ways.
Regular exercise offers a wide range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. For that reason, I am practicing exercise. And here are some basic advantages if I do engage myself for regular practices. So I want to practice regularly, improve my cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strains the heart and improves circulation, reducing the risks of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Weight management exercise helps in maintaining a healthy weight by burning calories and the boosting metabolism and muscles and bone health. Weight burning and the resistance exercise contribute to the developed and the maintenance.
Brother, I always consider you as a smart people. Smart people are those men who are woke up from the bed at early morning, maintain a daily routine and sport activities, and expert in IT sectors. Hmm. All of those characteristics belongs to you. Okay. If you don't mind, can you share with me of your daily activities or routines?
Okay, dear Ahsan, it's not actually true. I always try to maintain my daily routine properly, but always fail again and again. But I'm not worried because I'm stay on the right track. If I give an example from the today's morning, I get up early in the morning and preparing myself for the physical exercise, and also try to maintain the good habits, which is really miracle habits, and every successful man try to follow these types of the routine. At present time, I'm staying at the Ramna Park, and it's really incredible scenario for me, and it's a great opportunity for me because when I came this Ramna Park, I see a lot of the people do the physical exercise, and really they are various from one person to another person. And here I also hear a miracle or the incredible sound of the bird. At present time, we are staying in the Dhaka city. From Dhaka city, we always hear the crow sound, but if you come in the Ramna Park, you can also hear the many sound of the various types of the birds, and it's a great opportunity. And I also be proud to be a part of you because you accompany with me, and it's a great opportunity. At present time, we do our activities. We are practicing our speaking test because it's also include the good habits. And here I mentioned that when I woke up early in the morning, I have to skip one activities, which is the digital detox, because if I start to scrolling my Facebook, and it's hamper my daily activities, so I skip these types of activities. And here I also say that I always take water when I get up early in the morning, and we know that water is an important element for our body, so I always take a minimum 2 glass of water. And when I get up early in the morning, I make a fruitful routine for me, which one is the important activity for me, which I can do fast and which I can do second, and frequently I will try to make a routine, and it can say that the prioritizing the tasks regularly. It's all about me. Beside this, I always try to share knowledge, and I always try to learn new things, and I always try to take these types of opportunity. Okay, and I always try to mix those people who are really amazing, like you. Okay, it's all about my daily routine.
Okay, thank you so much, Hamid bhai. I want to follow this routine, inshallah.
Okay, and I think I'm sure you will do better in future. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Allah
you.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.